So, anybody that knows me knows that I love old movies. And one old movie that I got a chance to see today is Harvey star Mr. James Stewart. So, the reason why I'm talking about this movie is because he says a phrase that really stood out to me. In part, he said his mother told him, in life you can either be smart or oh so pleasant. He said, I've been smart and now I'm pleasant. The reason why this stood out to me is because in the real estate industry, during your transaction, either you're going to buy or you're selling property, it can be very frustrating. So I'm here to make this experience a little bit less frustrating and a little bit less time consuming and make it a pleasant experience. I'm here to guide you step by step, answer any questions you have, research questions that I need to get the answer or more information about on your behalf. So if you're ready to make a purchase, if you're ready to sell your home, feel free to reach out to me and let's get what you deserve.